Hi, good afternoon. Welcome to CBSE Exam Analysis Live at Times Now. I'm Kanika, and today we'll be analyzing CBSE Class 12 chemistry paper. Joining us today in our studio is Mr. Ashok Kumar. He's PGT Chemistry for Vidyagan Leadership Academy, Bulandshahr. Welcome to the show, Ashok sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much.
All right,
Yeah.
let's just start quickly as to how was the paper, Class 12 Chemistry. It's one of the main subjects for PCM students. So how was the
Yes.
paper today?
We are very happy to tell that chemistry paper is as expected. In fact, children are very happy after attempting the paper. It is very balanced from easy to moderate level. And
Okay.
almost, in fact, the students who stick to NCRT text and exercise, they must have done very well. Because the questions, most of the questions, we can say around 80 percentage, the questions are directly from the NCRT exercise.
All right. That's
So
good news.
they are able to do it very well. Numericals are a bit lengthy, but they are, in fact, up to the mark. I mean, they are not out of expectation. Yes.
Okay.
And
And what
the
about
paper.
concept? I'm sorry.
Yes, the paper is as per the sample paper issued by CBSE board.
Okay.
Yeah.
What about
Yes.
concept-based questions?
Yes. Concept-based questions are also they they are within the syllabus range, and the students says they could do well, almost
Okay.
as per the expectation, as per the preparation level.
Okay. All right. All right. So
Yes.
at this time, I would like to ask you, if you're saying it was a 70 marks paper. So out
Yeah.
of 70, how much do you think would be the average score for this kind of a paper? Because,
Yeah.
you
Average
know,
score can be 55
okay, that's very good.
out of 70. The one who can this it is scoring paper. In fact, the student who is well prepared can score full 100% marks. But on average, we can expect 50 to 55.
Okay. And now we'll start we invite students to ask questions in case they have any particular questions regarding today's paper.
Yeah.
Just one thing which I would like to tell our students who are joining us is that we have access to sets 2 and 3 of Panchkula region only. In case you are connecting with us from Delhi or UP or any other region of the country, then please ask the question so that Ashok sir can help you with it. All right. Um, so we are waiting for questions. Ashok sir, in the meanwhile, any tricky questions that you found? Any particular question which you think students might have had wrong?
Yeah, one question I could notice there, as students mentioned, they have asked a degree of dissociation from solutions topic. Usually, the general questions are about colligative properties, more majorly, but the question is stretched to higher levels to find Van 't Hoff factor than the degree of dissociation. This is one question I have noticed. A question number I could mention, as I have Noida region question papers with me. So
Okay.
let me mention the question number. Just a moment. Yeah, question number 29th in set 1 question paper of Noida region. The question is a bit lengthy as per the marking. Yeah.
Okay. And how about organic
And
chemistry? I remember from my school days, I used to dread organic
organic
chemistry.
chemistry, I feel organic chemistry is easy. In fact, as expected from the uh, book. In fact, the questions are very straight. mostly
Okay.
from the exercise, so that they did not uh, they did not give any tricky questions from the organic chemistry part.
Okay. Tanmay is answering that for the question which you just mentioned, he wrote the value of I as equal to 1.04. Would that
Just a
be
moment.
correct?
Yeah.
The degree of association, I believe
We
he's
need to
asking.
solve. We need to solve. We will get back to that.
All right.
Most
All this to
probably the answer is. I mean, I value is right. 1.47. It is mentioned. Is it?
No, Tanmay is saying 1.04, but again, there might be some discrepancy in the question papers that you are referring to. Even if the question papers are similar, there might be some changes in the
Yeah. Change
questions
in the
from set
numerical
one to set.
value. True.
Yes. So
Yeah.
all the students will urge that we'll be uploading the answer and the solutions for today's paper on our website, timesnownews.com/education, by, I think, later today, around 6 or 7, whenever Ashok sir is able to help us with that. Till then, do ask any other question that you might have, and we still have some time with us. So while we wait, Ashok sir, can you possibly also, say that, what are the few things which students need to keep in mind when they are attempting the chemistry paper? Because most of these students would also be appearing for their JEE main. So any
Yes. Yes.
important question which you saw in today's paper, which you think might be a potential question for the JEE main questions, which would, I mean, the
Yes,
exams which would
surely.
begin
In
in
fact,
April.
even we mention our students before going for
Mm-hmm,
examination. Of course, during their preparation, they
mm-hmm,
have to look at the application-based questions. In fact, what are
okay,
it can be industrial applications or daily life applications of the science or chemistry in that matter, right? Because when they are preparing for JEE, the
yes,
majorly the application part is the most important. So even for the board examination as well, we ask the students to prepare for the application based questions,
okay.
because
And they
the
were
yeah, after all, the science is basically innovation and application, right?
true. So how many application-based questions were there in today's paper, which you think are
Today's paper.
potential for JEE main kind of
Yeah.
a question?
In fact, we need to materialize, I mean, quantify that. That will take little time.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Tanmay, question number 3 from set 3. I think again it is the association. We would check. Students are saying set 3 was tougher. You have now analyzed 3 sets of question papers. Which do you see any change in the difficulty level, Ashok sir?
Not exactly, ma'am. They all are similar questions. In fact, this is what I feel. It can be a notion that set three is difficult, but usually the difficulty level is almost same across all the papers.
Wonderful. All right, so we have different, some of them are saying that set 3 was easy, while others are saying set 3 was difficult. I'm sure that would also be regional differences and discrepancies.
Yes.
We do not have a lot of time with us today, so we'll quickly say we will try to get solutions to as many questions as possible. Uh, in the end, any particular advice to students, Ashok sir?
Yeah, one simple advice I say, stick to NCRT, right?
Okay.
Because especially for chemistry, the syllabus is elaboratedly explained in the NCRT textbook, and the exercises are also, in fact, they are at high level. The questions. So the student who is able to do proper revision of NCRT text and the exercises, they will be able to score very good marks, around 90%. We can say even 95% scoring is possible with that. Even we advise the same for even JEE level also. In fact, our NCRT textbooks for chemistry are on par to the JE level. I cannot say advanced, but up to mains level we can.
Right. Interestingly, this time in JEE main session one, chemistry paper was hardest among physics and maths. I mean, in their expectancy level, most of the
Yeah.
experts were of the opinion that chemistry was a little trickier this time around. And
Yeah.
even over the past few years, it has been noticed that the toppers who have, most of the toppers have had a par with, physics and maths, but it is the chemistry score which actually lands up with the ranking difference in JEE main. So, one quick advice for all the chemistry students who will be appearing for JEE main session two as well.
Yeah, in fact, it's better to have a quick revision notes,
Mhm.
all kind of exceptional areas to be separately noted, and they need to be kept in mind. Or a quick revision should have happened before going for the examination, so that they will be able to answer the questions well.
All right. Thank you so much. That's the time that we have today. Thank you so much, Ashok sir, and to the students, all the very best for your remaining papers. We'll have the solutions today on the website by 6 p.m. So do connect on timesnownews.com. All the very best. Have a good day. Bye bye. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.